how to withdraw Sweatcoin to Kucoin Wallet. So here you will need both the Sweat Wallet and the Sweatcoin applications and make sure they are linked. So I'm just going to open up my Sweat Wallet right here. And if you want to transfer your money, first you have to copy your Kucoin Wallet address. Then you have to click on transfer and simply select send. Now from here we have to choose a crypto to send. So I'm going to do near. And here's where you will paste your Kucoin wallet. So you got to paste your address right here, and then it will show you the person or the receiver. And you can just click on them and you will write the amount that you have to send. So that's how you find the option to send your Kucoin or your Sweatcoin to your Ku wallet. So hope this helps. Sorry that I can't show you, I don't have any funds right now, but that's how you do it. Hope this helps. Don't forget to like and sub, and I'll see you next time.